Hi everyone, hope you guys are doing well. In today's video, we'll be discussing about the Madhav Rao Scindia case, or popularly known as the Privy Purse case. But before I start the discussion on this case, let me ask you guys to subscribe to this channel as well as like and share this video. I'm sure other people will find my videos really informative, as well as it will help me and encourage me to make more such videos. I'll cover more legal topics, more legal case laws, and it will be really beneficial for you guys. So with that aside, let me get started with the video. In India, basically, so there was a concept of privy purse. A privy purse was a payment made to the royal families of princely state as a part of their agreement, first to integrate with India in 1947 after the independence of India, and later to merge their state in 1945-49, thereby ending their rule. The Privy Purse continued to be paid to the royals until the 26th Amendment Act 1971, by which all their privileges as well as their allowances from the central government ceased to exist, which was implemented after 2 years of legal battle. In some cases, Privy Purse continued for life. In this case, it was held by the Supreme Court that the recognition of princely state and payment made to them was unconstitutional. During this time, Indira Gandhi came back to power with Garibi Hatao Andolan, and she completely removed Article 291 as well as 362, and she added Article 363A, in which it was stated that no privy purse will be given and privy purse will be completely abolished. So this is how privy purse ended in India, and the payment and privilege and allowances given to royals ended. I hope you find this video really helpful and informative. If you like this video, please subscribe to this channel and like and share this video. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one.